Hello friends, today we will prepare very tasty hot sandwiches with egg, ham and cheese. Let us get started. We prepare the necessary products. 3 sandwiches are obtained from the specified number of ingredients. Cut the ham into thin plates of 1 to 2 pieces per sandwich, depending on the size of the piece. Cheese is also cut into thin plates of 1 to 2 pieces per sandwich. Break the egg into a bowl, add salt. Beat the egg until smooth. In a frying pan, heat up 1/3 of vegetable oil, about 1 teaspoon, pour the egg into the pan. Immediately put 2 slices of loaf into the egg mixture with the flat side of the pieces to each other. The egg should season fry slightly for about 1 minute. Turn the egg pancake with 2 slices of bread with a wide spatula. Immediately put 1 to 2 slices of ham on 1 piece of bread. Spread 1 to 2 slices of cheese on top of the ham. We fold the sandwich with the filling inside with the help of a spatula. Cover the pan with a lid and fry the sandwich for about 1 minute on one side. Turn the brown sandwich to the other side. Fry for another minute or less, until browning. So we prepare all 3 sandwiches. Ready-made sandwiches are transferred to a plate. Hot sandwiches with egg, ham and cheese can be served. Bon appétit friends!